Hello, my name is Fatima, and my work here at ELSI and Tokyo Tech focuses on carbonate iron-rich hot springs. I conducted a series of geochemical and microbial community structure surveys in iron-rich hot springs across Japan as analogs to Precambrian oceans. My focus is on the iron cycling in these hot springs and the groups driving it, including microrophilic iron oxidizers, photoferrotrophs, and dissimilatory iron reducers. The study revealed a complete iron cycling present in all of the hot springs, but with interesting trends in the groups driving it. By combining the geochemistry and the microbial community structure, we were able to discern two main types of springs, low temperature and low salinity, F-type, and high temperature and high salinity, M-type. In F-type springs, gallionel acid-type iron oxidizers were more abundant, whereas M-type springs presented higher abundances of Ceja protobacteria. The implications for Precambrian oceans, productivity, and biosignatures will be the focus of my future work. Thank you for listening and looking forward to your comments.